Cause baby like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby like, ooh.
Hey everyone, my name is Eliza and right now we are heading to LU with my friends. At we decided to travel around 12 midnight of November 28 so we can maximize our day. Umalis kami ng Laguna going to Buendia around 8 p.m. since last trip schedule yon. Nag-dinner muna kami sa McDowell booking Grab going to Partas Pasay and we arrive at exactly 5 a.m. in the morning sa LU. I have few clips lang at walang house tour kasi hindi ko pa na-realize na gusto ko pala mag-vlog.
Kaya pa
Anyway,
guys.
pagdating namin, nag-freshen up lang konti at immediately went to the beach kasi excited kaming lahat.
Game na naman si Ante. Wala pa.
And I've thought, sisilipin lang muna namin yung beach and mamaya na kami maliligo. Pero ending, nagtampisaw talaga kami guys. Imagine, wala kaming dalang towels nito. So, nagbanlaw na lang kami after sa poso, malapit, before going to the cafe. We tried here sa SOC owned by Maurice Racal and we ordered their matcha frap and cookies and cream frap because we were craving for something refreshing. Kasi sobrang init, tapos naglakad lang kami. Though okay lang naman since walking distance lang lahat. Tapos ang mahal ng tricycle fare. So it's best talaga kapag walk trip kasi marami din naman kayong mga kasabay. And then nag-attempt kami kumain pero hindi natuloy kasi gusto pa nilang mag-beach guys. Yung pinunta lang talaga namin dito is beach, tapos uminom, tapos beach.
Can you see it, guys? We are here at Clean Beach. Ay! Sana! Ganito na lang. Pag-vape. Tignan muna natin if mabebatan nyo yung food. Pero according guys sa rating sa TikTok, 10 over 10 yung rating ng TikTok user dito. Sana masarap at mura. Kasi kung hindi ito mura, kami ang mapapamura.
Mura na.
Parang gusto ko ng manok. Punta namin dito, beach, inom, beach, inom, beach, inom. Beach, inom lang. Mga walang gustong kumain. Say hi! Hi, guys! Ay, ang ganda! Hala, ang ganda! Parang nag-glow siya.
And this was our beautiful view nung sunset guys. At grabe, hindi na-justify nung camera ko yung ganda nung view, yung beach, yung sunset. At while rewatching these clips guys, naisip ko parang, wow, ang ganda nung moments na to. Parang, I'm watching the moment through my lens. Grabe, ang taray.
Nasaan? Naghanap ako sa inyo na bibidyo. Alay ko na.
After 1,000 hours, finally we decided to eat na here sa Clean Beach for our dinner. At hindi kami nag-regret guys kasi sobrang sarap ng food nila at worth it. Hindi ko alam kung sobrang nasarapan lang ba ako at talagang gutom lang kami. Kasi nga kanina pa kami nag-iikot-ikot.
Makapatay pa.
Ito, marunong magtimpla to eh.
Does she shake?
Kasi hindi yan kada.
Ay, wala.
I just want to take this moment guys to sum up everything na nangyari this day. And grabe, I was so overwhelmed and so happy kasi natuloy itong trip na to. This is my first time traveling with friends lang ang kasama. And this was a very spontaneous trip talaga guys. I swear, sobrang biglaan niya. Lahat kami actually is first time lang mag-LU guys. So wala talaga kaming matinong itinerary. Pero nakadagdag siya ng fun because sabay-sabay namin finigure out at explore yung mga places dito. It's 12:22. Color of the day, black. Hello, sino ko ito? Nila kayo. ASMR. Okay, so this is day 2 na guys at nag-decide kami na mag-tricycle muna sa una naming destination para medyo malapit-lapit kasi medyo malayo yung Airbnb namin or medyo matagal siyang lakarin. But anyway, nauna kami dito sa El Union Coffee and we ordered their best sellers. I think yung sa akin is yung mocha ba yun. Tapos, tumambay lang muna kami saglit. Tapos, nag-isip kung saan kami pupunta. Also, hindi namin makakalimutan mag-take ng photos, of course, for the gram. Taste test. Ay, nangarang.
To the LU Diaries. Magpo-post ka?
Hi, magpo-post talaga.
And now we're heading to Kabsat! Yay! Kabsat or OnlyFans. Either of the two. Yeah, either of the two. Kitchen!
Dalawa lang daw.
Dalawa lang yung sa Na-try lang ako. Pero iba. Artista na naman po ang mga pagkain.
Boss, lalagay ko para sa'yo.
Ikaw. Wala nung first experience. Yum! Tutuman kita.
Wala yung gamin.
Wala.
Weird na.
I like it.
Ang dami oh! Ang daming flowers.
Try to forget, but the thoughts they seem to drown me instead. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside. I've realized you were what I needed this whole time.
Grabe, Ellie hits different pala talaga guys, no? I get it, no? Yung hype deserve. Anyway, nag-dinner kami sa Tagpuan and after that, we went straight to Flotsam. Pero corny pala guys pag weekdays. So, mukhang mas fun sa tavern and uminom kami doon and had some few drinks and then cheers! Hirap na siya.
Kaya nga.
Ingatan mo lang pag-lock. Hindi ako matigas na usap. Mapagbigay rin ako kahit hindi ako mayaman.
This day was the last day of our stay sa LU at 3 days and 2 nights lang kami doon. And then, we started the day late na guys kasi late na kami natulog gabi kasi nagkwentuhan, nag-chill, ganon. And then, pumunta kami ng Port San Juan para kumain muna before we go home. And then, yun, sobrang nag-enjoy kami sa trip na to and babalik ba kami? Definitely, babalik na kami with more friends kasi grabe talaga ang saya sa LU. Since pauwi na kami, clips na lang guys sa mga nangyari this day. And then, hopefully makasama na namin yung iba naming friends pagbalik namin. And more pera, of course. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching. Hope to see you on my next travel vlog. Bye!
Tenny glasses, always said, don't look at